much. Let's also welcome Siddarth Bhamre of Angel Broking into the conversation. Good morning, Siddarth. Everyone's going to watch the indices for sure. What are you recommending on the Nifty and on the Bank Nifty?
Good morning, Lata. We are not expecting any kind of meaningful bounce in Nifty, and even if that happens, we have strong resistance emerging at 8,300 levels. Now, this purely I'm talking from positional perspective. Bank Nifty, yes, we have seen some sort of long position building up. Most of the banking names from lower levels, also on charts, the oscillators are showing that it's in oversold zone. But counters can remain in oversold zone for a longer period of time. So we are not very optimistic on market, and whatever bounce if it happens, one should add on to short positions. A few of the influencing parameters like US bond yields, despite IMF suggesting that Fed should delay, bond yields are now at 2.44 levels, which clearly suggests that probably we might see rate hikes happening sooner than later. At the same time, crude is again going back to $65–66 per barrel, which is not suggesting FIs to do any activity. Look at the disinterest of FIs. They are not doing much of activity in F&O segment. They have been constantly selling in cash market segment. Implied volatilities are not rising despite market going down. Generally, it is a conflicting signal. People will get confused. Okay, if market is going down, implied volatility should have gone up, but it's not going, so you should buy. But this implied volatility is not going up because there is no panic in market, because there are no long positions in market. So I would suggest to stay light if you can't short this market.
All right, so stay light in this market, but you have identified a couple of shorting ideas for us. You have a sell on Kotak Mahindra Bank, but it's interesting because yesterday the Bank Nifty actually bucked the falling trend. You would still sell private sector banks?
Maybe not all at this point of time, but on rise most of them. But Kotak Mahindra Bank, I think it is giving up on its support, and I'm expecting a downside in this counter. We are seeing some formation of short positions over here. So around 70–80 points fall I'm expecting in this counter because of formation of fresh short positions. So our target is around 1254. One can fix stop loss somewhere around 1382 and go short in Kotak Mahindra Bank.
A wee bit. Let me come with more questions to Siddarth. Siddarth, I think you spoke to us about your Kotak Mahindra sell. You have a buy on Shriram Transport. Let's discuss that. Any levels?
Yeah, the stock, if you look at, while most of the names related to finance and autos are correcting, this name is related to both and has been consolidating in a very narrow range. We are expecting support of around 800 to hold and stock to move higher. We have aggressive target prices on this counter, but as of now, for positional traders, we are expecting 877 to come, and 797 should be the stop loss.
Siddarth, your other stock is Just Dial. You have a sell on that?
Yeah, Lata. Last 4 trading session, we have seen some serious shorting taking place, and management first was thinking of dilution, then buyback. Lot of confusion at their end, and what we are anticipating that support of around 1050 should go, and these positions which are formed in counter are mainly short positions. I'm expecting some serious downside in this counter, but as of now, I think 974 is what we are anticipating. Fix a stop of somewhere around 1139 and go short in this counter.
Let's thank Siddarth Bhamre as well for joining us and giving us his views. Thanks, Siddarth, for giving us those ideas, and you have a good trade.